Quick question number 5. The diagram shows the curve with equation y is equal to 8 exponential of negative half x minus 1. The curve meet at the axis at the point A and B. The shaded region is bounded by the curve and the line segment AB. Show that the x coordinate of the B is 6 ln 2. We know that this is the curve equation, which is y is equals to 8 exponential of negative half x minus 1, and this is the line AB. Okay, and we need to find the x coordinate of the B. So we know that this B has the y coordinate 0 because it meet at the x-axis. So we can say that B point, which is x comma 0, lie on curve. So it will satisfy curve equation. So y is equals to the 8 exponential of negative half x minus 1. In this case, y coordinate is 0, so we can use it. 0 is equal to 8 exponential of negative half x minus 1, and this one is equals to the exponential of negative half x is equal to 1 over 8. And exponential of negative half x is equals to 2 to the power of negative 3. Taking ln both sides, and we know that ln a to the power of b is equals to b ln a. This is the property of the logarithm. We will apply this property in this case. So negative half 2x ln e is equals to negative 3 ln 2. Negative will be cancelled out, and we will have x ln e is equals to 6 ln 2. And we know that ln e is equals to 1. So x is equals to the 6 ln 2, which was required. So we have the point B, which is equals to the 6 ln 2 comma 0. Okay, part B, find the area of the shaded region. Give your answer in the form of P ln 2 minus Q, and where P and Q are the positive constant. We need to find the area of the shaded region, and we know that the area of the triangle OAB is equals to the this one. Okay, this is the area of the triangle ABC. If we eliminate the area under the curve, or if we subtract the area under the curve from the area of the triangle, we get the area of the shaded region, this one. To find the area of the triangle OAB, we will use the formula 1 over 2 half b. And height is the y coordinate of the A, and the base is the x coordinate of the B. We need to find the height of the triangle, which is the y coordinate of the A. This A is also the point in the curve, so A will also satisfy the curve equation. And A has the x coordinate 0. Okay, A is 0 comma y, lie on curve, so it will satisfy curve equation. Curve equation is y is equals to 8 exponential of negative half x minus 1, and plugging the value of a point, we will have y is equals to 8 exponential of negative half times 0 minus 1, and this one is equals to exponential of 8 times exponential of 0 minus 1, and this one is equals to 8 minus 1, which is equals to 7. So we have the point A, which is 0 comma 7, and we have the point B, which is 6 ln 2 comma 0. And a shaded region is the area can be found out by subtracting the area under the curve from the area of the triangle. So area of shaded region is equals to area of the triangle OAB minus area under the curve from origin to B, from O to B. Okay, and we know that area of the triangle equals to 1 over 2 height into base minus area under the curve is the integration of the curve from origin to B. Integration of the y dx from origin to B. Height is the y coordinate of the A. Height is y coordinate of the A, and base is x coordinate of the B. coordinate of B. 1 over 2 height we just calculated, which is 7, time base, which is 6 ln 2, minus integration from origin has the x coordinate 0, so 0 to the B. X coordinate of the B is 6 ln 2, y, which is 8 exponential of negative half x minus 1 with respect to dx. So if we solve this one, we can get the area of the shaded region. This one is equals to 3. So we will have 21 ln 2 minus, now integration of 8 exponential of negative half x is 8 exponential of negative half x over negative half, minus integration of 1 is x, and limit from 0 to 6 ln 2 bracket close. Okay. For the solving, we will have 21 ln 2 minus, this one will be equals to negative 16 exponential of negative half x minus x, limit from 0 to 6 ln 2 bracket close. Now 21 ln 2 minus upper limit negative 16 exponential of negative half x, x means 6 ln 2, minus x means 6 ln 2, minus lower limit of negative 16 exponential of negative half 0 minus 0. For the solving, we will have this one will be 3, and 21 ln 2 minus negative 16 exponential of negative 3 ln 2 minus 6 ln 2 minus then negative 16. So this one is equals to 21 ln 2 minus negative 16 exponential of ln 2 to the power of negative 3 minus 6 ln 2 plus 16. Now for the solving, we will have 21 ln 2 minus negative 16, ln will be cancelled, and we will have negative 16 times 2 to the power of negative 3 minus 6 ln 2 plus 16. For the solving, we will have 21 ln 2 plus 16, and 2 to the power of negative 3 is over 8, minus 6 ln 2, sorry, plus 6 ln 2, and this one is equals to minus 16. This one is equals to 2, and we will have 21 plus 6, which is 27 ln 2, and 2 minus 16 is negative 14. So we have the area of the shaded region, which is 27 ln 2 minus 14.